One of the most important aspects of trading is making sure that you keep your trading as simple as possible. One of the big fallacies of trading is that people think that as long as they study more or they cram more knowledge or they gain more experience, then that gives them a right to make more money. The problem is that oftentimes what happens is that the more people study, the more experience they get, the more confused they become, the more complicated they make things, the more indicators they add, or the more underlyings they add to their watch list, or the more charts they look at. I think one of the issues that people run into is that trading is not like going to medical school or going to law school. When you're an attorney, everything builds upon itself, and the more experience you get, the easier things become. However, with trading, you can make a bad decision and still make money, or you can make a good decision that has a very high probability of profit and you can lose money. And I see it all the time where traders often become too active, or they just want to trade too large because they've won like 9 or 10 straight trades. And then they run into one trade which shows them a loss and they end up losing a month or 2 months worth of profits. And I think that for myself, the more experience that I gain from trading, the simpler I make things. So for myself, I can tell you that it is really important if you want to trade long term to keep things as simple as possible. The more experience I get, the simpler I'm going to make things. And I just try to make things as simple as possible, not add risk onto a challenge position. And yeah, that's basically it. So I definitely believe that you want to keep things as simple as possible. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. Please leave a comment below, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts and questions below, and I appreciate your attention.